how to add automatic beams in Archicad using Cadimage. So I'm going to add automatic beams on this wall in Archicad using Cadimage. So let me go to the plan view. Okay. We're going to add automatic beams in this plan, in these walls. So in this drawing here, so there are two drawings, similar drawings. I've copied one to the left end, but let's create automatic walls using Cadimage. If you don't have Cadimage add-on, you need to add Cadimage add-on to your Archicad. So I'll activate arrow. Okay, I need to, I will select all roof, select and activate, and then I want to hide. Right click, layer, hide. Okay. Now let's see the 3D. My roofs have been hidden. Now I'll go to arrow. I want to let me first select what is this. This I think is right click, select and activate all, control all. Then I want also to hide this. Okay, I can just delete that one because we need to see the walls. Okay, now I want to select all walls and I want to intersect these external walls before I can add my my automatic beams. So I will first select this wall. This wall need to be separated at this point. So I will click this icon that looks like an axe, which is split, and then I want to split at this point. Then I'll choose either top or bottom side. So it has been split. You can see this wall, these walls are now two. I want to split this wall too. I'll click this split icon that looks like an axe. Then from this point, then I can either pick here or the other side. Okay, so I also need to split this wall here from about that point. Then you can choose either side. You'll be able to split. I also want to split this wall about here. Can choose either side. I will also split this wall about that point. Choose any side. I'll also split this wall. Okay. I also need to split this wall. So I will do this now quickly. I hope you understand what I'm doing. Then I'll also split this wall. I'll also split escape. I want to split. Okay, this wall is going to that edge. This wall is also going. I want to split it here also. I'll pick the top side. Okay, now I want to split this wall also about this point. You can either pick the lower side or the upper side. You can see that eye icon. So that side and it will be split. Okay, all my walls have been split. So I will pick all external walls, holding shift. I'll pick all these walls, all those walls. Then there. Okay, all those walls. uncheck that, on selecting walls. Okay, then missing this wall here. Then I want to intersect. You can see this icon here. You select it and they will intersect those walls. Then I will go to Cadimage, covering, wall covering. Then now let's first add the wall covering. I want the wall covering to be not in the inner side but in the outer side. So you select the outer side just like that. Now let's see what we have just done. Now you can see what Cadimage has done, but this is not automatic walls. So I want to change this covering to become this is not automatic beams, I mean. So I want to change this covering to look like automatic beams. So I'll go here. I think select this one of them, one of my wall Cadimage wall covering. Right click, select and activate tool, Control Alt select all. Then I'll go to wall covering settings. Now here you need to change it to option number 4, that is split at steel and head height. Make sure you select that. Then let's see what this will do. Now if you go to 3D, you can see what we have just done. However, this does not still look like automatic beams. So we need to edit further this Cadimage wall covering. So I'll click in one of them, right click, select and activate, Control Alt select all, right click, go to properties. Then you need to change this one here to 300. That is about the height of a beam. Now at the lower part, let's see what this will how this will affect the appearance. Now you can see we have this beam here and we have a beam here at the top. It looks like a beam. Then let's go back to the ground floor, right click, go back to settings. I will go to this covering, main covering. My main covering will be none. Let me use none. Below steel, above steel. Then let's see how this now looks like. Now you can see what we have just done. Okay, now however, I need to move this a bit below because I need this beam to be just above this window. So I will go back to the settings. I'll go back to layout, then change this one, reduce this one by maybe 100, let it be 2100, because I think that looks like 100 millimeters. Let's see. Now you can see this one, how the way now the way it appears. Now this is perfect. Now if we go to the elevations, you can see now our automatic beam have been added. You can see the way it looks like. Now if I go back to this, again I will select arrow tool, I can select that wall, select all these walls, go here, select that wall, select that wall. So let me go back to the plan view. I want to select all these walls. Okay, then right click or just intersect. Okay, then you can go to Cadimage covering, ball covering, we have already done the settings. I'll just need make sure it's number 4. Make sure this is 300. Make sure this is 2100. Go to covering. Make sure that main covering is none. Then okay. So if I go to 3D, we can just maybe we didn't do it properly. Sorry. Select all these, holding shift. I don't want to select windows. I want to select walls. Okay. Make sure holding shift. Make sure select walls. Okay. And select that, and then select the wall. Then I want to intersect. Before I can add covering, wall covering, and then okay. Then we pick outside. Make sure you pick outside. Then you can see how what you've just done. Now you can see that beam here on top, which has just been added automatic. This is the entry porch. Now we can do the same thing. We already did that here. Now maybe in this side, we need to pick that wall. Okay, then holding shift, pick that wall and pick that wall. Now this wall need to be split. Okay, we need to split that wall at this point here. So let me split this wall, that point, and pick either side, and I will select all of those, and then intersect, and I can add Cadimage covering, wall covering. I think we have done the settings. Then I'll first pick the outside. You can also add covering in the inside and outside if you just need to check where you're placing your covering. Okay, this wall I need to change it. This wall is 2400, so this wall also need to be 2400. Okay. Okay, now that is okay. So you can see we have been able to add automatic beams using Cadimage in Archicad. So if you like this video, please do consider to subscribe. I will see you in my next video.